Right now I'm sitting at home waiting for my parents to get back and for me to go on my surprise. I don't know what it is and it's killing me. Basically today's my birthday, so my parents are going to surprise me with something I don't know what it is. And you know, I don't mind surprises, it's just the waiting and the not knowing what it is what bugs me the most. So they told me, have your camera charged and ready, you know, you're going to want to vlog this. So I have no clue what to expect, I don't know what's going on. So we'll just go along for the ride and see what happens, okay? Okay, we're in the car and I'm recording. They're going to tell me something I don't know.
You have to put on a blindfold.
Ah, poop!
Yeah, you gotta wear a blindfold. Because you can't know where you're going.
Dang it!
It's Chris's birthday.
21.
Okay, it's okay if you can see down, but we just don't want you to see where you're going. So here's your...
Guys, tell me where I'm going. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are you there yet?
It'll take a little bit.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
What's wrong? Unlock, please.
He doesn't know. I don't know.
Dad? There we go. Okay. You got company.
Okay, what?
You gonna take off it now?
Nope. Nope, I refuse.
I'm scared.
What's up?
Where
I
are we?
knew it! You guys are not a lie like you said you would be, you liars.
Where are we?
No.
We're
So
near
fraudulent.
planes. I don't like this. Okay, tell me.
You all are going on a helicopter ride.
I like helicopters. Tyler's recording. Hi, Tyler.
It's too shaky now. You gotta hold it.
Tyler Cam! Hi, Eric. Get to the chopper! How long did you know Tyler and Eric?
Like,
How long did you know?
Like a month.
Seriously? You guys are horrible. Yeah, I bet.
You're probably half as long.
I
didn't
felt
know.
like you were trying to force it out of me yesterday.
I
couldn't do it.
didn't even
was
mention anything.
You can't do it.
Can't say it. Can't say it. Dual vlogging it. See, camera, meet camera.
It's more
That
accessible.
happy face, Tyler.
It's a face of fear.
I guess just smile. It's
It's a
something
face
weird.
of fear.
Ah!
That's
Look at all the
first-
buttons. I wonder what that button does. And that
this.
button
You
and that
can't-
button.
you can't hold
What?
it.
Take what?
I'll put it in my pocket.
Is it recording? I hope it is. I don't know. Tyler's a little dizzy, but woo! As you probably saw from the footage, that was from my GoPro, so no audio on that because it's probably really, really loud. But it was sick. Oh, that was so much fun. Woo! What?
The pictures are already up on Facebook.
They're beating me. All my footage is gonna be reused footage, you know? Thanks,
was it?
Mom and Dad. It was awesome.
Yeah.
It was sweet. So Tyler, how was being in a chopper?
Good.
Good. Good. He was shaking. He was shaking pretty bad.
Shaky and it's freaky. The end.
The end. You saw the footage just now. Anyway, we're now at Oriental Express / Golden Phoenix. I don't know the official name.
Where's the menu?
Oh, we didn't check it.
Chinese Zodiac.
That's not the name of the restaurant,
Yes.
Tyler. Yeah, so just grabbing some grub. Oh, it is. Official name. Golden Phoenix.
Golden Phoenix.
Downtown Boise. Record Exchange right over there. If you're not from here, you don't know what I'm talking about, but that's okay. Tyler confirms it. I'm not lying. Dinner is served. Look at the deliciousness. Tyler.
It looks good.
Eric is on the diet of just white rice, so he's going to be a loner today.
High carb diet.
High carb diet, that's true. Probably not good.
Just make it loud.
Tyler, you're so noisy.
You get in the way.
It's a lie cookie. No, it says, can't zoom, can't focus. It says, others see you as lively, friendly, and witty. What does yours say, Tyler?
You'll discover something wonderful about yourself.
Oh, Tyler, that's nice.
that's
What
nice.
wonderful things you discover about yourself?
Many wonderful things.
He's afraid of
I
helicopter
like
rides.
helicopters.
You like helicopters? I like helicopters. Eric, what does yours say?
It's boring. It says it's proper to speak the truth.
Is that the truth?
I don't know. Ask Tyler.
We'll have to wait and see what Tyler finds out.
That was good.
Chow good? You like?
Who's on your thing again?
Craig Benazine, Wheezy Waiter.
Wheezy Waiter.
Wheezy Waiter.
Who's that?
He's a YouTuber who makes cool videos.
Why?
Anyway,
About what?
because that's his
What kind of
living.
things does he do?
Why?
Why is
Your
he
question.
better-
Stop
why is he
questioning
better
why.
than you?
He's not fair. He does have more subscribers, and I don't think that's fair at all. But that's how life works. So we're just gonna go down this way. I'm vlogging. There's all the cars out there. Hi, cars. This is weird. Better than
Just
me.
kidding, Chris. I think you're much better than me.
Right.
Especially
If I could, I'd give you 10 million subscribers. But you can't, so it doesn't matter. We're done chow. We're gonna go see Mission Impossible 4. 4? Yeah. You guys think it's 3. It's 4. Oh, wait, is it 5?
No,
I
it's
forget.
4.
I don't know anymore.
I think it is
We'll see how good it is. The Grove Christmas tree. Very colorful.
Very nice.
Okay, so Mission Impossible. I thought that was pretty cool. Lots of good action, some funny parts. Impossible, but entertaining. Tyler and Eric, what do you think?
Impossible.
It was impossible. I don't understand it.
Like everywhere.
Tyler said, literally a little bit ago, Tyler said, the last 20 minutes were totally impossible. It's in the movie title, Tyler. Okay, so I just proved, thank you. I just proved parkour is actually comes in handy because we were locked out of the garage. So I had to use my parkour skills to scale the fence and the wall and get us in. It wasn't illegal because we have a pass and our car's in here. Yeah, feeling pretty pumped from just watching Mission Impossible and then pulling some Mission Impossible stuff.